In this video, I will share with you Top 5 Best Digital Oscilloscopes Review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. 2-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. The ZT702S 2-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter is a versatile professional tester equipped with a 2.8-inch screen for clear visualization. With a real-time sampling rate of 48 MSA/s and True RMS up to 1000 V, it ensures accurate and reliable measurements. This compact yet powerful device merges oscilloscope and multimeter functionalities, offering comprehensive testing capabilities. Ideal for professionals seeking precision in signal analysis and electrical measurements, it stands as a reliable tool for various applications, providing efficiency and accuracy in a single unit. Number 2. FNIRSI 1014D Portable Digital Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI 1014D Portable Digital Oscilloscope is a versatile 2-in-1 device, featuring dual-channel input and signal generator capabilities. With a desktop design and a 1 GSA/s sampling rate, it offers precise signal analysis and generation. This portable unit combines the functionality of an oscilloscope and a signal generator, catering to diverse testing needs. Its high sampling rate ensures accuracy in capturing waveforms, making it an ideal choice for professionals seeking a compact yet powerful solution for signal analysis and generation on the go. Number 3. 3.2-inch Desktop Digital Oscilloscope. The ZEEWEII DSO 3D12 Desktop Digital Oscilloscope is a compact powerhouse with a 3.2-inch screen, offering a 120M bandwidth and dual-channel capability. Combining a multimeter and signal generator in a single unit, it delivers multifunctional prowess for comprehensive testing needs. With its versatile 3-in-1 design, this device provides precise signal analysis, multimeter functionality, and signal generation, making it an efficient and space-saving solution for electronics enthusiasts and professionals requiring diverse testing capabilities in a compact desktop oscilloscope. Number 4. PC Waveform Digital Storage Oscilloscope. The digital oscilloscope with a 48 MSA/s sampling rate and 10 MHz bandwidth offers precise PC waveform analysis. Featuring digital storage capabilities, it ensures data retention for thorough analysis. This versatile tool functions as both an oscilloscope and a multimeter, equipped with auto True RMS for accurate readings. With a transistor probe and Multimetro functionality, it's ideal for professionals seeking a comprehensive solution for signal analysis, making it an efficient choice for various electronics and electrical testing applications. Number 5. Anong Professional Digital Oscilloscope. The Aneng AOS02 Professional Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter merges precision and versatility. With a true RMS capability, it ensures accurate readings in diverse electrical measurements. Boasting a 48 ms/s sampling rate and a 10 MHz analog bandwidth, it captures intricate waveforms with clarity and detail. Equipped with data storage functionality, it allows easy retrieval and analysis of information. This multifunctional device suits professionals seeking a reliable and compact tool for high-speed signal analysis and comprehensive electrical measurements in various applications. Thanks for watching.